everyone, my name is Tirana Yangpaiboon. In this presentation, I will talk about an amazing project named DeepPen. So, you know what's like when you're trying to write an awesome essay or even writing something, but the words are always appearing to be wrong and misspelling. Also, the English teacher is always mad and complain about it, or even give you very bad mark in the class. So, what will you do about this? Get some help? Find a tutor? Or ask Google? No, this will even drive you crazier. And boom, forget about it. Here is the solution. I have created a special pen that will solve all the writing problem. But how the pen works? Let's say, when you are trying to write something and somehow accidentally you are making a mistake again. The pen will vibrate and make some noise to let you know that you are making a mistake. And on the little screen on the side of the pen, it will show up the correct word that you will need to be fixed. The pen made of special steel that could not easily scratch and break. Also, it's using eco-drive system, which means it's using the sunlight for its energy, so no need to be worried about running out of the battery. Moreover, the pen has the security system by scanning the fingerprint of the owner. If someone who will not own it and use it, it won't work. Not only that, the pen also has the Bluetooth that can hook up with any electronic device to search for the pen, and it will make some noise to help us easily find the pen when we lose them. So everyone must be happy. But well, there is still a problem. We need $500,000 to start out the capital. Trace for 10% of the product for profit. I will look forward to working with you and thank you very much for your help and support. Then I guess it's time to say goodbye.